Alright, what's going on everybody? JP here from Wanted to Get Lost, and in today's episode we're going to tackle an ABS issue code C1035 that we've been throwing and how we're going to fix it. So stick around, let's tackle this project together. Alright, so a little while ago, I guess when we came back to Phoenix, we started throwing an ABS and the traction control issue on our Jeep. So you can see there's our ABS light and traction control. So I hooked up our code reader. I have a OBD J scan and it does all the Jeeps, which is really good. And I have a Bluetooth connected to my OBD2 port. So first thing is the key is in the second spot, and I'll show you the code that it pops on. Alright, so we'll do an advanced scan.
Another granola bar. Comes out with it behind his back. It's like, excuse moi.
Alright, so there's the code C1035, right rear wheel speed sensor issue. So that's what we got to fix. Alright, so I went to AutoZone this morning and picked up that right wheel speed sensor. So that's this guy. I gotta find it on the back of the right wheel. I think it goes into the rotor or the hub assembly. Yeah, so let's go try and change this. It shouldn't be that long, hopefully. I always say that and then it ends up taking like 30 minutes, but all right, I'll meet you under the Jeep. All right, everybody, here's the back right tire, and here is the cable, and the sensor looks like that is it. I'm gonna guess that's an 8 or 9 mil bolt. I should be able to get it out without removing this sway bar link. I would like to make it easy, so we're just gonna disconnect this, pop that out, and then replace it. All right, let me go get the socket wrench, and we'll get to work. All right, first things first, we gotta disconnect that, and it's got some weird clip on it. So I got a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so you just get your flathead under this red guy and then pop that clip out. And that slides right out. You should be able to pull this off. Try two hands. Alright, there we go. Alright. The wire looks okay, so alright, we'll slide this over there. Let's get this out. Alright, good news for me, this little mini socket wrench I have actually fits in there, so I can get it without removing the sway bar. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. Good. Okay. Oh, don't lose that. Oh yeah. All right, here's the old one. Looks pretty crappy. This is the new one. All right, so we're gonna throw this in, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Alright, I'll just tighten it down. Good. reconnect. Alright, we're back on. I had to use the flathead to give that a little push, but we're good. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to clear the codes.
Mom.
And then the test will be, hopefully it doesn't come back on. So we have a drive. We're going to Slide Rock State Park. So we'll see if the code comes back up. Hopefully this is just the easy fix. Alright, so the codes are cleared from my my reader, so we're good. Alright, I will give an update while we're driving. Alright everybody, guess what? We just did, I guess, close to 70 miles to and from Slide Rock State Park up in Sedona, and the light never came back on. So looks like that little $29.99 part did the trick. So as you can see, pretty simple install, and I didn't have to take off that sway bar link. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. But for code C1035, the right rear wheel speed sensor, replacing it worked for us. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along on our awesome journey. Thanks so much everybody. I'll see you on the next video. Stay lost.